Hi everyone, how are you doing? I'm Mari, and if you're here, it's because you're looking for more information about the book called His Secret Obsession, so stay tuned until the very end of this video. If you want more information about it, I'm going to leave the link for the official website just below in the description of this video, okay? Just go to the description below, click on the link, and you'll go directly to the official website where you can see all the complete information. Now, His Secret Obsession is a very famous book that claims to give you the secret to having your man, whether it's your perfect husband or boyfriend, fall in love with you. Why? Because the author says that all men have a hero instinct, and he tells you how to activate it, which pushes a man to have a meaningful, respected relationship. He's going to teach you how to do it and have this man fall deeply in love with you and respect you, okay? So yes, I recommend you buy it because it is very interesting. Within this guide, His Secret Obsession, you will learn step by step how to use this instinct to your advantage. According to my research, the author reveals the most powerful words, phrases, and signals, showing exactly how to use them to trigger the desired romance. One thing that amazed me about the book's sales website for His Secret Obsession is that you can buy the book and have 60 days to read it and put it into practice. If you don't like its content, they will refund your money. Just return to the website and request a refund. This is great because it provides more security regarding what the author promises in this guide. Remember, this book is only sold on their official website. There's no way you can buy it on other websites or in bookstores, only on the official website. To help you, I've left the link just below in the description of this video, okay? Well, that's what I have to say. I hope this video has helped you make your decision. And remember, when you tap into a man's most primal and innermost desires, you literally become his obsession. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I've helped. See you soon.